Just imagine, Vietnam is a communist country, a small country. They kept on fighting with America for 10 years. Just 3 years later, the war ended in 75. In 78, China attacks Vietnam. Why? What's the reason? One credit I have to give to the Chinese, they are very organized in strategy planning and in their thinking. They go for something called forward planning. They plan for the next 100 years. We in India plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow, what are we going to do? Okay, we have this much of food. Okay, we have this much of things. Good enough. Go to sleep. Or rather fight among ourselves. We have the food for tomorrow. Right? The Chinese, they plan for the next 100 years. 1978 is a very crucial year for China. How come? The Chinese realized